Good morning, girls. I am Dr. Yogita, Assistant Professor of KDM Girls College. Today's my topic is work simplification. Now we will see what do you mean by work simplification? A housewife's occupation involves many tasks, duties and responsibilities. She is both the manager and worker for the household tasks. Work at home can be organized and simplified in a better way to conserve time and energy. The functions of the home making activities are planned to accomplish the family wants and for the achievement of goals, for proper growth and development of the family members and their physical growth. Conservation of time and energy is necessary for the human health. The conservation is done by adopting work simplification techniques. Consumption of time and energy is measured, and if it is consuming more resources, it is to be simplified. This will enhance the speed and efficiency of the work. Simplification will motivate the worker to do more because work is performed in an innovative simple methods. Now we will see advantages of work simplification. First is unnecessary activities. Second is time. Third is physical labor. Fourth is monotony work. Fifth is work efficiency. Sixth is body position. And seventh is storage space. Now see detail about advantages of work simplification. Peak load time of housewife can be simplified and elimination of necessary activities can reduce the workload. Time consumption in performing a task can be reduced also by using household equipments and adopting innovative new methods to complete the work. We shall conserve time and energy. By evaluation the physical labor and use of muscles involved in a particular task, one can improve the pace and efficiency in the work performance. Monotony of the daily routine can be broken by adding some innovative methods or ideas to perform a task. In order to increase the work efficiency and conserve time and energy, it is necessary to understand the procedure for work simplification. Constant working in an unsuitable body position strains the muscle causing pain. Pressure on one type of muscle for a long time affects the blood circulation and the function of the nerves. Arrangement of the storage space and the work area affects the energy consumption and also the work efficiency. Now we will see techniques of work simplification. That is two types of work simplification techniques. A housewife should be aware of techniques adopted for work simplification. This will help to evaluate the work performance and to simplify the work procedure. These techniques are of two types. First is formal technique and second is informal technique. Formal techniques are first is micro motion film, cyclograph, memo motion, stopwatch techniques. These techniques are used to study the work performance in detail in control lab atmosphere. Now see informal techniques, work simplification techniques. First is process chart, second is operation chart, third is multi-man chart and fourth is pathway chart. These methods are easy to follow. The housewife can adopt it for the work performance evaluation at home. These techniques help to simplify the work method. Now we will see Mundale's classes of change. In 1960, Mundale proposed that simplification of work can be classified into giving groups. These changes into three groups. First is change in hand and body motion. Second is change in work and storage space. Third is changes in product. Now first, changes in hand and body motions. Changes are introduced in the use of hand and body motions using the rhythmic motion, cleaning of utensils or sweeping the floor. Use of two hands instead of one is putting lighten the work. Changes can be most appropriate when the activities of the work are arranged in a sequence. For example, mixing all the ingredients at a time, cutting vegetables near the cooking range will reduce the step involved in the work. Body posture changes are very important for work simplification. Large movements like blending is more time consuming. Small movements of the body will definitely reduce energy consumption and simplify the work. Sequence of work should be recorded greater emphasis while simplifying the work. The arrangement of the tools should be in accordance with the steps of working. The main purpose here is to reduce the total distance because each unit of work is performed with a view to handle the next step in your mind. Using combination means, for example, when using washing machines, boiling potatoes in a pressure cooker and also preparing some vegetables simultaneously. Skills in work activity will increase the efficiency of the work. Skilled person uses fewer and less active motions. Skilled person has knowledge as well as practical experience, which has been cultivated into a habit. Now, second class is change in work and storage space and equipment. The storage space and work area are closely related to the conservation of time and energy. Work centers should be at proper height in accordance with the worker's body structure. Household equipment, kitchen tools, utensils should be stored at appropriate place and height. Items and other material products should be stored in and around the work center table and transparent glass. Working heights play an important role in the use of time and energy and simplify the work. Heavy weight articles should be stored at lower heights and lower weight articles at greater heights. Now, third, changes in product. Work simplification is possible if the basic raw production in the work is changed. This change will depend on the availability on the standard of the working methods, and related goals should be organized in such a way that they are flexible and introducing changes and improvements is possible. With the rise in technological advancement, new and improvised materials and models are introduced in the market. Sometimes, making use of this improved material may simplify the work. For example, use of nylon material or terry cloth will reduce the labor involved in washing and ironing the cloth. Change in the product can be possible when the old product replaces the new one and by changing the alternate use of materials. Changing raw material, for example, using boiled potatoes instead of raw potato. Use of the plastic cover on dining table will avoid the washing of the table cover frequently and also the table. Use of instant and fast food items will also reduce the labor and save a lot of time involved in preparation. Understanding of these classes of changes as introduced by Mundell's will definitely help in reducing the use of resources and simplifying your work. Thank you.